about that paper. Get about that paper. About that paper. Get about that paper. Yeah. True man, I'm free. I wake up a new episode. I pop out cleaners, keep me up a level though. She talk to me like I'm not me. I get it though. Yeah. I'm so eclectic, on me to the credits roll. Talk down to me, they might have to send medical. I'm out the league, I'm OD, they pathetic though. Look how I move, I'm protected. Shawty so swoon in my presence. The world going through it outside, they unruly, but I keep it cool, they can't press me. I keep it pure with intention. They see what I'm on, they don't vex them. I might slide through with that top down. I keep it tuned with a high power. Put it on me, I'm blessed. Blessed, big bag, manifest the sky, no stress. Keep no evil around me, can't ground me. I built it since when I had less. No hex on, God can't pause. Look at how far we progress. Whatever we doing, we keeping it fluid. I don't see a threat. About that paper. About that paper. About that paper.
What is good, YouTube? We are back. And if you can't tell by my guy Bob right here behind me, we in the lab again. So now that we got that out of the way, I'm gonna tell you why. Why are we always in the lab? Most of the time because we got upgrades. And that is the case this time. So let's show you. We're not even gonna beat around the bush. We're gonna go right ahead and show you what we got today. So, let's get to it. Right here in front of us, we are going to, I guess, like everybody likes to say, beefing up the suspension. We're gonna make it a little bit more stiff, a little bit more sturdy. We got our Warp 9 suspension triangle, along with the Warp 9 V3 version of the suspension linkage riser. This is the 0.75 riser that we got right here. And to top it all off, to bring it all together, we've got the 650-pound suspension spring from my boys at Luna. So shout out to them. Shout out to myself, because I'm about to put these upgrades on this bike. And we're gonna go step by step through it. I'm not gonna make this video a tutorial or anything like that, because there's plenty of those out there. Most of you guys already know how to change out the linkage and everything on there, but it's gonna be real simple. We're gonna pop these three. Boom, boom, boom. We're gonna take this one off of here from the shock. We're gonna take the one down here off also. Take the shock off. We're gonna put the spring on. I'll show you guys how to do that. There's not a lot of videos on that part. We might go step by step through that one. But yeah, so give me a minute. Let's get all my tools out, get everything rolling, and we're gonna check back with y'all in a minute. So, see you in a few. Holla! All right, guys, we are back. We got the parts out. We got the tools out, should I say. We got the parts taken off. Had to do a change of clothes. Guys, just to let y'all know, it's 10 o'clock at night. I'm doing this in my garage. Had the garage door open, 10 o'clock at night, and it's 90 degrees here in Louisiana already. So yeah, we're dying out here. But anyway, with that said, we've got the parts off. So I want to show you guys real quick. Check it out. So with the stock KKE Surron rear shock, if you want to change the suspension spring, it's real easy, guys. All you have to do, if you can see, if I don't lean into the light for you, all you got to do is loosen this all the way up to the top to where your spring is loose, right? Your spring can move freely. And then there's a plate right underneath it. See this plate here? There's a plate right there. Because you loosened that, now you can move the spring up and it's not pushing down on this plate. That's what you got to get off, so then you can turn it to where it slides right off. Boom. Did it with one hand. That's pretty cool. So you slide that off, and then you should be able to slide your suspension spring right off. Once you get that off, You put your new one on, slide the plate, slide the plate back on the bottom, and then you're good to go. So we're gonna do that real quick. We're gonna check back with you in about 36 seconds. Woo! All right, folks, we back. We got the gold spring on there, sitting next to the black one, just so you can see the comparison. We went with the gold because, I mean, to put it quite plainly, we love gold. Whether you put it with purple or you put it with black, we love gold around here. So that's why we did gold. But yeah, real easy to do, and it really looks good. It's gonna make the bike look really good once we put it on there. Also, we got to do the suspension triangle and linkage, so that's next. Got it all taken off. We got the swing arm down. On the ground, we'll have to prop it up because I'm by myself. Have to figure out how to do that, but it shouldn't be too hard. And then, yeah, we're gonna check back in with y'all in a short minute. See y'all then. Peace. Okay, guys, we are back. We got the install done. Everything went really smooth, except for one minor thing that I did. I dropped a bolt. It was, guys, it was one of the most tragic things I've ever had happen. I dropped the bolt, literally, it fell down into the primary belt drive and was stuck in between the belt and the pulley. And it took me literally about 30 minutes to get that doggone thing out. It was this bolt right here. I dropped it as I was putting in the suspension triangle. But yeah, man, with all that said, it looks really, really good. I mean, the gold just, it's gold. So, I mean, I don't even know what else to say, but looks really good. We're gonna do some video and some shots during the day. If not tomorrow, the next day. It's supposed to be raining here in the next day or two. So yeah, man. So hopefully I'll be able to get some good shots in the sun so you can see the gold and how good everything looks. But with that being said, I want to thank all you guys for watching. I really appreciate you. I appreciate the support and all of the likes and interaction that you guys are doing with the channel. So keep it up and I will keep the content rolling. And yeah, with all that going down, thank you guys so much. And I'll check y'all in the daylight tomorrow or the next day. Okay guys, so here we are with the finished product. We got the gold during the day. You can see it in the daylight. Looks really good. We'll do a little ride around. We're here in downtown Baton Rouge on the levee at the Mississippi River, and we're gonna do a little ride around, and we're gonna visit a festival event that we have going on here. It's called the Baton Rouge Cannabis Festival, first annual. So it's made its way down here to the south, guys, so we're gonna go check it out. We'll shoot a little bit of video there. So this video will conclude a little bit differently. So anyway, we'll check y'all out when we get there. How you doing? Is this the entrance?
Yes.
Okay, I got a question when she's done. I don't want to interrupt.
What's up?
All right, so I have a ticket and I'm coming in, but I don't want to leave my bike out here. Is there any way I could lock it up anywhere in here?
Probably.
I mean, I won't ride it, I promise. Okay, that's cool. Thank you.
Oh, wait. Yeah.
Okay. Thank y'all. Thank you. All right. We are in.
Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Buy that paper. Yeah. True man, I'm free, I wake up a new episode. I pop out cleaners, keep me up a level though. She talk to me like I'm not me, I get it though. Yeah, I'm so eclectic, I'm me to the credits roll. Talk down to me, they might have to send medical. I'm out the league, I'm OD, they pathetic though. Look how I move, I'm protected. Shawty so swoon in my presence. The world going through it outside, they unruly, but I keep it cool, they can't press me. I keep it pure with intention. They see what I'm on, ain't no vixen. I might slide through with that top down. I keep it tuned with a high power.